Hello and welcome to Happy Panda. Today we're going to discover domestic animals in English. Animals that live around us every day. Let's go. This is a dog.
A dog is a friendly pet. It barks loudly and loves to play. Many families keep dogs because they are loyal and good companions.
This is a cat.
A cat is a small pet with soft fur. It meows and purrs, and it likes to play or sleep a lot.
This is a cow.
A cow is a big farm animal. It gives us milk to drink and use for food. Cows often live in fields and eat grass.
This is a chicken.
A chicken is a bird that lives on farms. It lays eggs that people eat. Chickens can cluck, peck, and run around the yard.
This is a sheep.
A sheep is a gentle farm animal. It has thick wool on its body, and people use the wool to make clothes. Sheep usually live together in groups.
This is a horse.
A horse is a strong and fast animal. People can ride horses, and they are also used to pull carts or carry things. Horses eat grass and hay.
This is a pig.
A pig is a farm animal with a round body and a snout. It likes to roll in mud to stay cool. Pigs are smart and can be playful.
This is a rabbit.
A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It hops and runs quickly. Rabbits eat vegetables like carrots and live in burrows or cages.
This is a duck.
A duck is a bird that can swim in water. It has a flat beak and webbed feet. Ducks make a quacking sound and also lay eggs.
This is a goat.
A goat is a farm animal with horns and a beard. It can climb hills easily and gives us milk. Goats eat grass, leaves, and even plants.
This is a donkey.
A donkey is a farm animal with long ears. It can carry heavy loads and make a loud hee-haw sound. Donkeys are very strong and patient.
This is a turkey.
A turkey is a big bird often found on farms. It has colorful feathers and a red wattle under its beak. People usually raise turkeys for food.
This is a goose.
A goose is a bird with a long neck. It honks loudly and can swim in ponds. Geese are protective and often stay in groups.
This is a buffalo.
A buffalo is a large animal with strong horns. Farmers sometimes use buffaloes to plow fields. They like to stay near water and eat grass.
This is a camel.
A camel is called the ship of the desert. It has 1 or 2 humps on its back that store fat. People use camels for riding and carrying loads.
This is an ox.
An ox is a strong farm animal, usually used for pulling carts or plowing. Oxen are calm and work in pairs on farms.
This is a parrot.
A parrot is a colorful bird that can sometimes copy human speech. Many people keep parrots as pets. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruits.
This is a pigeon.
A pigeon is a small bird often seen around homes and cities. Long ago, pigeons carried messages for people. They make a gentle cooing sound.
This is a guinea pig.
A guinea pig is a small, gentle pet with soft fur. It makes squeaky sounds and loves to eat vegetables. Kids often keep guinea pigs at home.
This is a goldfish.
A goldfish is a tiny pet fish that lives in bowls or aquariums. It swims gracefully and is one of the most common pet fish in the world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy Panda for more fun learning videos.